for apple. A for ant. A for axe. A for alligator. B for boll. B for bird. B for banana. B for butterfly. B for balloon. C for cat. C for cup. C for cake. C for car. C for cow. D for doll. D for dog. D for duck. D for dolphin. D for deer. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eyes. E for eagle. F for fish. F for fox. F for frog. F for flower. G for grapes. G for goat. H for hen. for hat. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for iron. I for ink pot. J for jug. J for jelly. J for joker. K for kite. K for key. K for kangaroo. K for king. L for lamp. L for leaf. L for loin. M for moon. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nose. N for nest. O for orange. O for owl. O for ox. P for pencil. P for pineapple. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for star.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
T for tiger.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
T for train.
Won't you sing with me?
U for umbrella. V for vein.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
W for watch.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
X
with me?
for xylophone.
A, B, C,
X
D, E,
for
F,
X-ray.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Y for yo-yo.
Y, and Z. Now
Subscribe.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Y for yak. Z for zebra.